Good day everyone. Today I will going to discuss our observation to rat exposed to sunlight during day 5. Physical condition. The body remains largely intact but is beginning to flatten as decomposition progresses. Soft tissues have become extensively degraded and are releasing decomposition fluids. Small bubbles may be observed on or around the tissues, likely resulting from the release of gases and fluids associated with decomposition. Rigor mortis is absent. So sa physical condition na ang balabaw is buo man gyapon pero gaamat-amat ang tana kanipis kag naga-flatten ang tana kag sa busong na nga part is nagagwa nga bubbles which is result from the release of gases and fluids associated with decomposition. Area condition: dry ground, hot and sunny weather. Odor: unbearable, sharp smell of decay. So grabe rin gid ang amoy na kay nagadecompose rin tana taw hindi rin magunta ng amoy na. Insects: heavy insect activity is observed, including the large numbers of adult flies and ants on and around the carcass. No maggots are visible externally at the time of observation. So during day 5, what maggots nga nag-appear ang mga ang mga langaw lang kag mga tigasaw ang nagalapo dito sa may balabaw.
So good day everyone. Today I will going to discuss Joey B. Based on our observation of the rat decomposition experiment. Earlier, Miss Amar already discussed the condition of Joey A. Now, I will be discussing Joey B, the rat submerged in water, and changes observed on the 5th day. So, physical condition, the body exhibits extreme decomposition. Only portions of the skin and tail remain visible at the water surface, while most soft tissues have undergone liquefaction and settled to the bottom of the container. The surrounding water is heavily contaminated with decomposition products. Rigor mortis is absent. So, physical condition na decompose rin gid ang body. Panit na lamang makita kag ang ikog. Kag ang iba na nga parts ka body is turned into liquefaction. So, nagsettle din sa dalom or nagtunaw ang body na or naglubog din sa tubig. So, ang area condition, deeply contaminated water, hot and sunny. So, igkaroon gid ang tubig kag rakaroon ng bacteria nga present sa lawas kang rat kag init ang sira kaadlaw. So, odor, unbearable, and pungent smell. So, hindi rin yun masarangan kag tama din ka isagang amoy kang balabaw. Kay because nagadecompose rin yun ang body. Insects. Adult flies remains active around the carcass. Maggots measuring approximate 6 mm to 7 mm, thick and mushy are still present, indicating continued larval activity despite of the advanced state of the decomposition. So, makita natin nga ang langaw is nagalutaw sa tubig. Kag nagahapon din tanda kasi syempre nagabulok rin ang lawas kang rat. So, kag raka rin ang maggots nga present sa lawas kang balabaw nga to. So, approximate 6 to 7 mm tambok tana kang mashi ang tsura kang maggots. So, because nagalubog tanda sa tubig, kuri tanda magbawal kay gamay ang oxygen ka tubig. So, sa sige kababad nanda sa tubig is nagakos nga mapatay tanda. So, kag ang presence ng maggots, so amura ang nagabulig para mas mapadali ang pagdecompose ka body, ka balabaw, or rat. So, the discoloration, ang lawas ka rat, it shows a reddish brown and dark brown discoloration. This is caused by ang tissue is nag-breakdown, kaya nag-release ka decomposition fluids kag bacterial habang ga-decompose ang body.